halor ka jingja wan rung bean ka Kynhun ki Bangladeshi bat syok penmensau yau samla bal serang marak haka step senia jong ka pratare gunailar araja arpusan harong dangai Southwest Kasils District haka baki pulit ki sipai BSF da ka jingerap lang ki nongsong snong kila kem ya sangut kat ba wepat ula yapno na ka jingsha syopat ba haki kendiat sengi baladam menteri rang ba ka jelau Conrad sangma haka khatlai tere gunailar araja arpusan ula ong baka sarkar jela kala dap Pyntip ka Ministry of Home but tenat Intelligence Bureau IB ulaang banaki kai pot bau yo kini ki Bangladeshi ki bawan thambor ki dei tang ka Kynhun ki Runar ki batmu ban le iki kam Rahbor bat benrap bagi pulet bat BSF kila yo kam ya ki katu kat nengot ki Runar badan kti bat ka jing thwet kadang ya chakmat saya ki arngot ula Pyntip bag sarkar jela kala pen klan ya ka jingbo ya ki bor pahara hagi jaka khapot bat ka Bangladesh ban wanra ya ka jing sngan ya ki nongsong snong bat ban khanglat sendon ya kum kini ki jing jab bakindang ja hadien habot kat kum ka jing Pyntip ki nongsong snong ka than kita ki Runar hadien ka jing pentrem kila persang ban petkrat piang sa Bangladesh da ka barung sa khlau henrai kila jalanti bat la penlong ya ki pulet ki sipai BSF bat ki nongsong snong ban yok yam ya ki da ka basuk
information that we have received as of now after all the investigations done, that these were a group of dacoits. This is the latest information. We are still digging and trying to find out more information because obviously there were some ID cards and all found. So we want to ensure that all those aspects are eliminated or options are eliminated. But as of now, as I said, the information that we received, they are a group of dacoits. And as you know, that one of the people was there who was being kidnapped and was badly injured. And now we have caught most of the people who are involved in this, and very strict action is being taken. And we have increased the presence of the manpower out there so that there is more security and safety for our people. And we will examine and re-examine the overall security issue out there to ensure that these kind of incidents don't happen in the future. As mentioned, from whatever preliminary reports and the investigation that we conducted till date, it seems, as I said, to be a group of dacoits. And so therefore, we don't expect that this is something that is kind of a organized kind of a crime, but individuals who are involved in a dacoit process. But nonetheless, we cannot be complacent. And therefore, we will take all the steps necessary to ensure the safety and security of our citizens in the border area. Through the official channels, we have informed the IB as well as MHA regarding this incident and all the updates that have come in. And the IB and MHA is very much aware of this incident. Initial reports that I received, that there were about 7 to 8 of them is what we received in the initial parts. I could be incorrect because the latest reports are not with me, but as per the last reports that I got, and large number of them have been nabbed. I think maybe about 1 or 2 more are missing, and they're still in the hunt for them and searching for them. And the reports that I got from the local people, like this I'm in touch with the local people directly also. Then they were telling me that as far as information they have, is that these people are actually completely lost also. So they went into the forest area and they couldn't find their way back. So they are somewhere in that area. And we have caught most of them. And I think whoever is left, 2 or 3 of them, whatever, they'll also be caught very soon.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya